Welcome to my YouTube channel, Takrim Media. Top for Best Odometer Correction Tool Review. Number 4. The Digiprog 3 version 4.94 is a professional odometer programmer tool designed for accurate mileage correction. It supports a wide range of car models and works in multiple languages, making it versatile and user-friendly. This reliable tool is ideal for automotive technicians, providing efficient and precise odometer adjustments for most vehicles. Number 3. Description: OBDII X300M special for adjustment to an OBDII supported. Contact us for exact car list before ordering. OBDII X300M is the most professional device for cluster calibration, which coverage comprehensive car model. Main unit system of OBDII X300M adopts ARM high-speed chip to keep it running stable, fast and anti-jamming. Note: contact us to get exact vehicle list before placing an order. Help you get the right product. Number 2. Specifications, special features, Bluetooth, software update, yes, language, Arabic, English, French, German, Italian, Japanese, Korea, Polish, Portuguese, Russian, Spanish, software version, 2024, hardware version, 2024, brand name, XTOOL, origin, mainland China. Number 1. The XTOOL InPlus IP616 Automotive Scanner is a powerful OBDII diagnostic tool designed for 2024 vehicles. It offers comprehensive diagnostics, including CAN FD support, and features lifetime free updates for continued performance. With key programming capabilities and user-friendly functionality, this scanner is ideal for professional mechanics and car enthusiasts looking for reliable diagnostics and vehicle maintenance solutions. Please click subscribe button and press bell icon to get more videos. Thanks for watching.